Yeah, what's on guy na manyanga zokumisar so long as you subscribe and ngomelo subscribe subscription ya wena nkoka ngwe balungu ba yena ngwe. So I'm doing this video na kubalawula swo hlayanyana but then xikusungula kula kutsundusha Matsonga ku nguna mungara wansu wethu na mungara Johannesburg ka hlanganeni le uDukral 9th September this coming weekend. Kuna ntlangu wendliwa ku Ephraim events so ngasasiku Presbenza, Mr. Post, Xongi, Rhangani. I'll be there also. I'm part of the lineup. Cynthia Mafenya, King Tsonga, na van'wana va ku hlayanyana ta hlangana kwele n'wina nga ta nghena from 12 to 3 mi ta kuma na swakudya swa mahala. Xin'wana xi tivise ku the pool is now open. A hi teni hi ta hungasa, a hi teni hi ta swima. Then ticket i 50 rand, but then loko nga ri kuma ka computer ticket ri ta xavisiwa 70 rand a gate. So loko ri la ku save la 20 rand u nga ya ti kumela ticket ra wena eka computer ticket kumbe xani ka Pick n Pay. So sweswiwani na ku vulavula hi tixo swi to hlayanyana because khale ni nge endle ti video so i xo sungula le ntwanga ku yi na nkoka. Ni kombela mi yingisela album ya Gezzo the Cover. Think ku ta va the first comment leyi ni nga ta yi posta kwalaho ntlheni phina. I think it's one of the good albums leti nga nyikiwaka chance. In this album Gezzo u tirhe na Sign Free, u tirhe na Sign Free in part of production, a tirha na vo Gustavo na van'wana va ku hlayanyana vo Kalu. So please go and listen to the album. My next video will do a review of it. Xawambirhi, I saw this post made by Mayengani. Itsalo ku Vana nhova I kombisa ku nyike na October. So ni vona vanhu vo tala va kha va hleketa ku loko ku ni nyike na October president yi vula ku yi humesa album. As things stands and album ya president yi ta huma hi next year before the elections. Then October for sure yi la ku humesa risimu ra Vana nhova kumbe xana tin'wanyani timbirhi kumbe tinharhu tinsimu, but an album yi nge humesi for the reasons to twala swo laha munhu a analyze swilo swi twisisa. Prince Rhangani is about to release an album in November. Josh Rimano probably release an album in December. So ku hava ku va nga fola va ri three, it doesn't make commercial sense ku ti album ta vo ti nga huma ka three ku landzelelana. So mina ni ve na chance before the reunion of Limpopo Poison ya ku twa ni ve na chance before the reunion of Limpopo Poison ya ku twisiwanyana hi President Mayengani risimu leri ra Vana nhova and some of the other songs which were part of a project leyi a yi preparing. So Vana nhova is a good song. It's a vibe song. I won't go deep into the song with timhaka ta ku ma yiva content wa n'wina u kuma swi ri humesiwile ivi se langusana na matihlo mo tshuka president ku hayi hi mfuko ya vulavula swilo leswiya ya hlahla marito lama ni nga ma tirhisa la. But anyways, I believe President Mayengani will release a single or tinsimu tinharhu as it did in December leta tin'wanyani ya October leswi va vulaka swona. I don't believe it's an album as it still stands. Mi tiva ku President Mayengani va ta humesa album before the elections. Which makes more sense. The hype there will also work for the elections. Then the second thing, like Xongi Rhangani released an album, and I said it outright from the beginning that the album is not what we expected. Here's why first. Mawulu to overhype something, like to overhype, end up raise the expectations. They expect more from you. Look what's August. So we expect more than what the person offered previously. But understandably, I won't blame Vana one by our production. To fill them that easily. I believe next year they will make an improvement in the production because and Chinese but in the two who worked on that project swike swi va banyana ku twisisa ku ndzumba yini ku sound ya ndzumba yini. sometimes you can play the very same sound later man, but the difference Nzumba, the reason why one Nzumba must have class. The sound must have class. Like music or 77. Even if you do a fusion of the sound, you must make sure when you are mixing and mastering, you make sure the sound is sound in a class. And another thing about album Xongi Rhangani has a lot of fan base. She has a lot of fan base, so she get like. But I believe kuna na vanhu vo hlaya va mhani Xongi kha yi nga va dyohelangi nchumu. Sometimes ni twa nga ku munhu mo fane n'wi accepta for who they are. That's one thing I've observed about Xongi Rhangani. She's not a bad person. That's who she is. And I believe we shouldn't how she is if you don't like how she is with music. That's how she is. Mina na loko yi posta swilo swin'wanyana swi ri na swigego to kombeka ku sweka Rhangani. That's how she is. And sometimes she's not doing it because she's doing it for numbers, for traffic. But her album is just an average album, and you pushing off with the way she dropped it a track list. The track list that's the comment ago skongo miswaka Rhangani. Totala mkumoko anostana no kwa haba naleri ntoko ngaku maybe skongo miswaka yona ngwanya leya. I would lie if I say na skongo miswaka yona. Then another issue about the award ka Munghana Lonene. The award ka Munghana Lonene, I've always said from the much I video where I was reacting to these awards, I've always said I don't feel with them. For me, it's like they don't exist, because for the award in overall tala South Africa I don't rate these things, man. I don't rate these things. Even the system which is being used to run them. Because Munghana Lonene, it's clear. Munghana Lonene is so cool. Munghana Lonene at the headquarters Munghana Lonene for the longest period. Yele bush. And I'm not saying Wele bush, machangana magayen. But Munghana Lonene, if you check majority of the favors, majority of the things that share bush. Munghana Lonene ranwa bush. So that is still a bush talk client that are there because of their favorites, the people who are in power there. You can get a bush. There's a one thing. Like uzono mito ka Munghana Lonene. Ileshwa. It's either samra were bishin man. Ara avoid deki. Ileshwa so loko rosala se question is vanhu with award the tamapela na. So fana na Papa Rolani. If Papa Rolani wasn't nominated in those awards, abatago but it was nominated for that reason. One award they're gonna give him. Then nominate go fuka Munghana Lonene. You must ufano ba uiterele ni Munghana Lonene. Munghana Lonene and award the events to hlaya xikari ka lembe leti endliwa ka Munghana Lonene. Ku va ku ri the events ta free. So people who go there, they are volunteers. So when the award figure, these people are paid back. It nominations, it award, almost a lot of people who are part of the lineup here Munghana Lonene. Even the Munghana Lonene and Lashul Tsalanangi and Lashul Bush and Lashul Pui. So the awards are also being used as a reward system to these artists. I have a background story about Kutamugu now na Russian army Tamiwon in the awards. I have a clear story. That's why Lokuru kuna la kanata kwa Munghana Lonene. I know the story kwa Russian army kuminja nomination and they win an award during that time. They were being rewarded for their dedication to Munghana Lonene events for free. So another thing, so you must have someone who has connections. You must have someone who has connections. Here's an example. Angalasa used to split Atangwa left and right and center and get nominations, but once I swagger this other record label, things change. Same goes to NSC. I don't want to mention names, but Lugunga nominated so share so slago for Karate. before va valandzelelini va swi vona ku loyiwani loko ku ya nga n'wi faki u ta hi vangelisa wona. So swilo leswi swa ka Munghana Lonene at award only a few categories leyi nga ta ku i swa mampela leswi a swa ta award swilo leswiya ta award swilo leswiya bimeli ku ri artist u nga ni byeli nomination eka Munghana Lonene okay I don't rate it mina it's nothing for me mathumbani swa but anyways let artists celebrate because it thought it's in I think it thought the biggest awards leti nga na tona ka Xitsonga music. Mara swilo swa ta award leswiya ta award swilo swo swin'wana. Then I have another question. Kombela mi pfuna ku analyze this thing and I want you to comment on the box cause a na swi lavi ku hilisa ni ya mahlweni ni ta vuya ni swihlahla ti comment ta n'wina. Loko ni langutise kahle la it seems like when it comes to Khalanga production and Limpopo Poison, only a few people are dedicated in wanting this thing to work. Just check. Observe. I think Bojo is one of those dedicated in Khalanga. Prince Nabina, I don't know what's happening. I'm just thinking out loud. There was an event all Afanville. President and a prince were said to be the but they never showed up. The only person who showed up Joshua. I think they have a group where they share things, a group or circulate on social media. The only people who are posting is Prince na Joe. Ben Mayengani really does that. I know like a sona president. So the president you are busy because we know he's running a political party and a lot of other things. It's just that the vision is no more clear to him. Another thing which is gonna be tricky is this upcoming songs. I think I thought October that been Mayengani. The Baben production, kumbe Khalanga production. I don't know. It's comment on the comment box. She bula nyana. Then go and listen to album. Kuna album ya Bosha Maka, kuna album ya Ndongwe, which are out. And please don't forget to listen to the album ya Gezzo, which I'll post on the comment box. If you see this one is chuka kahle mis analyze one what many sharp subscribe.